The government of El Salvador is a presidential representative democratic republic. El Salvador elects its head of state, the President of El Salvador, directly through a fixed date. General election whose winner is decided by absolute majority. If an absolute majority is not achieved by any candidate in the first round of a presidential election, then a runoff election is conducted 30 days later between the two candidates who obtained the most votes in the first round. The presidential period is 5 years. Consecutive re-election is not permitted, though previously elected presidents may run for a second, non-consecutive term. Salvadorans also elect a single-chamber, unicameral national legislature, the Legislative Assembly of El Salvador, composed of 84 members. They are elected by open-list proportional representation for 3-year terms, with the possibility of immediate re-election. All 84 seats in the Legislative Assembly are elected on the basis of 14 multi-member constituencies. They range from 3 to 16 seats each according to department population size. El Salvador has a multi-party system. 2 political parties, the Nationalist Republican Alliance and the Farabundo Marti National Liberation Front, have tended to dominate elections. Arena candidates won 4 consecutive presidential elections until the election of Mauricio Funes of the FMLN in March 2009. Geographically, the departments of the Central Region, especially the capital and the coastal regions, known as Departamentos Rojos, or Red Departments, are relatively leftist. The Departamentos Azules, or Blue Departments in the east, western and highland regions are relatively conservative. The 1932 Salvadoran legislative election occurred between the 3rd to the 5th of January 1932, but the results were cancelled by President Maximiliano Hernández Martínez. Further elections for the 10th to the 12th of January were also cancelled. The 1936 Salvadoran legislative election occurred in January 1936 but no results were published. The 1944 Salvadoran Constitutional Assembly election occurred in January 1944 but no results were published.